don't want nobody stabbing me with love. Don't wanna waste no.
Hi friends, I hope you're doing well and I hope you're keeping safe. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how to spice up your head wrap game using not just one but two headscarves. You don't have to feel like your head wrap game is too basic or too boring. So this video is for you to see 6 different styles that you can rock using 2 headscarves and still look amazing. I hope you like this video. Remember to like, subscribe and share with your friends.
'Cause I just wanna go to the deep end. I just wanna go to the deepest end. No planning, no stress and no. I wanna hear you say that you only want me. That you only want me. Some kind of magic, you came into my life, and with that bedhead, you give me falling twice. Yeah, you're an angel and always on my mind.
Notice the difference between this style and the second style that we've done. I hope you remember the second style. If you can't, go back and watch it. The difference is that in the second style we twisted the scarves and rolled them over, and in this style we are braiding the pieces, the scarves, and rolling them over. The difference is the braiding and the twisting.
You see it in my eyes. I wanna travel, let's drive into the sunrise. Where your heart is where I wanna lie. waste no time getting my feelings hurt. I believe in those things we don't know much of. There's just so much to see that ain't about love. I'm ready to face my fears, I'm ready to taste the weird. I just wanna walk the hills above. My ordinary life, I could let it burn. 'Cause I just wanna go to the deep end. I just wanna go to the deepest end. I don't want nobody stabbing me with love. Don't wanna waste no time getting my feelings hurt. I believe in those things we don't know much of. There's just so much to see that ain't about love. I'm ready to face my fears, I'm ready to taste the weird. I just wanna walk the hills above. My ordinary life, I could let it burn. 'Cause I just wanna go